Hello everyone, we are back with a new recipe, and this time it is an Italian pizza which we will be doing with an barbecue style evolved plant meat pizzas. So let me get through these ingredients. So I have a pizza dough here. Here I have the pelati, which goes at the base of the pizza. Some shredded cheese. This is a combination of mozzarella, 2 parts of mozzarella and 1 part of cheddar cheese. Here I have some nice fresh basil. Here I have some homemade barbecue sauce. Here I have the evolved plant meat, which is fried, and some dusting flour. This is very essential. This is an herb oil which is heated up, and we add a little bit of rosemary into it. The rosemary combines with the oil and pulls out the entire flavor of the rosemary into the oil. We use the herb oil to finish off our pizza and to give a good color to the pizza. Shall we go ahead? Pizza dough, which is fermented, so we can check the springiness of the pizza, whether it's done or not. It should bounce back. Once it is bouncing back, that means the pizza dough is good enough for a fantastic pizza. So make sure the dough is even from all the sides. Have some dusting flour on your rolling pin. Make sure it's rolled out evenly from all the sides. Today I will be doing an 11-inch pizza. Puncture the dough with a little bit of docking so that the excess carbon dioxide which is created due to this yeast moves out from the dough. Take a plate or a round cutter or a round mold or whatever which suits your oven. So I am taking here a plate which suits me. So a pizza cutter, dust the pizza cutter in some flour so that the sides are evenly cut. So go down to the sides, make sure that there is an even cut. Take out the excess dough. Now we have an evenly round pizza base. Now the first ingredient goes in is the pelati. I take around 70 to 80 grams, evenly spread it throughout the sides. So I'm going till the edges. I'm having a gap of half an inch. There are plenty ways to do the same pelati. We can do this chunky, we can do this a little saucy. You can try both. It will give you a different feel and the texture is awesome. Now coming to the toppings. We have this readily fried evolved plant meat. We add a little bit of barbecue sauce and make it moist enough and keep this ready for the topping. Then we have this mixed cheese blend. Spread it evenly. Make sure every slice of the pizza has got equal amount of cheese into it. Now here comes the main ingredient, the barbecue evolved plant meat. Get the pieces all around the pizza. Every slice of pizza to have 2-3 pieces of evolved plant meat. This is a very good and healthier substitute for a mutton or a chicken, which gives you the same amount of proteins and a better texture and flavors. Now we are through with this pizza. Let's get this thing into the oven now. Now that the pizza is out of the oven, we'll add the herb oil onto the sides to give a glaze and flavor. I'm adding a little bit of chopped basil to enhance the flavor, to give the rustic Italiano flavor. Now I'm going to cut this into 6 pieces. Ready to serve. Here we go. The final pizza is ready. It has got the evolved plant meat, healthier version. Try it out. Let me know. Thank you very much. We will catch up soon with few more dishes. Thank you.